Shwmae! In this short film, I will be talking about informal learning and exams. I will start with informal learning. Practicing your Welsh outside of the classroom is an integral part of learning Welsh. It gives you the opportunity to practice your Welsh in a more natural environment, and it gives you the chance to socialise with other learners and fluent Welsh speakers. We have a monthly diary which is full of events and activities for learners of all levels. These will give you the opportunity to get together with your fellow learners and enjoy using the language. We offer online and face-to-face activities. Attending these sessions can be daunting at first, but please remember everyone's in the same boat, and one of our tutors will be in every session to support you. We also offer Saturday courses nearly every month, either online or face-to-face. These are a great way to practice and revise what you have learnt in class, and also an opportunity to meet other Welsh learners and tutors. You're very welcome to come and join us. There are so many ways to practice your Welsh outside the classroom, and there are more and more resources available to you all the time. It's worth trying to think what you enjoy doing. If you enjoy watching different series, watch some in Welsh. If you enjoy listening to podcasts, listen to some in Welsh. If you enjoy walking, come and join us on our walking tours. There's also the Amdani series, which is full of Welsh books of all genres for learners of all levels. Take a look and see which books appeal to you. All learners are very welcome to sit WJEC examinations. Learners who sit exams feel that they give them a focus to work hard, and they also give them a sense of satisfaction when passing, or indeed achieving excellence. Learn Welsh Cardiff will offer all eligible learners the opportunity to sit the exams free of charge. However, if you complete an enrolment form to sit an exam, you will need to pay the full fee if you decide at a later date not to sit the exam. Diolch yn fawr for watching, and please get in touch if you have any ideas about how you would like to practice your Welsh. We'd love to hear from you. Hwyl am y tro!